He's taken a shower from cow urine. So he collected urine and gave it to him to wash with, to wash his face.
Each salt can remove the skin disease.
Today we're in South Sudan. In the newest country in the world. South Sudan.
It's the newest country in the world. About South Sudan.
It is only 10 years old.
So what the cow means for you?
Cow?
We had to drive more than an hour from Juba to reach Mundari tribes. At sunset, that was the start. We're at the newest country in the world, the youngest country. Now we're at the Mundari tribes. You'll learn their story. Cows for them are everything in life. I mean, they're all their family and fortune and everything. For them, this event of cows gathering at sunset have some activities never seen anywhere else. Welcome to South Sudan. They're the tallest in the world. I mean, people in South Sudan are the tallest people in the world. They have this event. It's the most unusual I've ever seen. At sunset and sunrise, they gather all these cows. Look how big they are. They also set fire right here to repel flies. They appreciate cows in an interesting way, and the way they take showers and other activities which they will be starting now. Look at her, she's from Mundari tribes.
Mundari.
Yeah, this is my place.
Your tribe, Mundari tribe.
Mundari. One of the important factors is only that we, the Mundari people, we are only depend on keeping cows.
So how many cows here?
It's around even 500,000.
500,000?
Yeah.
Wow, and all worth a lot for you guys,
Yeah,
right?
a
Like
lot
gold.
for us.
It's like gold.
Yeah. Meat, I can sell it. Also for getting married.
You can get married.
Yeah, with the cows.
Who is ready to give me 1,000 cattle?
I have a lot of cows. I can get married all the time, all the year.
Look how they set fire. The sun has set. But for Mundari tribes, morning is everything. They usually shower from them. They love them so much they shower from their urine. One of the most unusual things you'll ever see.
So the first thing they do in the morning, they do showering, right? And they drink the milk.
And collecting the cow dung.
The cow things. And they clean it.
Yeah.
First thing in the morning, they clean the place. You'll see how they shower and drink milk and clean the whole area from cow feces. Throw it outside. Can you believe it? It's a huge amount here. Their relationship with cows is a lot deeper than with humans. The biggest problem here in South Sudan is tribal conflicts happening here. They even fight each other for these. This unbelievably large cattle. He's taken a shower from cow urine. So he collected urine and gave it to him to wash with, to wash his face.
Each salt can remove the skin disease. Skin diseases. You have to also put so that you can see that one is becoming brown because of the chore.
Nice hair.
But did you see how their hair is colored red or orange? That's because of the cow's urine. Washing with it every morning, it dyes their hair. And they also believe that it protects them from all diseases that affect their skin. This is where they sleep. These tribes are only a few when you compare them to the Dinka tribes. The Dinka tribes are the majority here. They are more than 80% of the South Sudanese population. You'll find them in cities and other places. They're not so different from Mundari, but only their language is different.
And you guys speak Mundari?
Mundari language.
But you also speak Arabic? Some people?
Yeah.
Okay, so second language Arabic.
Yeah, second language Arabic.
Okay.
Okay, some of them speak Arabic because it used to be the official language. Of course, Mundari tribes are all armed. They all have weapons to protect themselves. They use that miswak every morning. The girls make coffee in the morning after showering and drinking milk. They roast coffee beans here. It's just like our morning coffee. Look how he's cleaning the cow's horns.
This is the ash. They put it with the water. Why? To clean?
Yeah, to clean the food. When you show, you can see this one is already clean.
Now he's clean.
Right, yeah. And also they sleep here.
They sleep here?
Yeah, but it's hot. Yeah, you can also sleep there.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's the country with the most civil wars in all Africa. It was long, it was very long in the 20th century. Look at these ashes on their faces. Ashes from the fire, which they set. They put it on their faces. Every morning is like this for Mundari tribes. Every morning. They all gather like friends and drink coffee. Look at the cows here, a large amount of cows. And now cows will leave. This is the end of the day. They will go to find a place to eat and come back here and set fire at sunset. So they gathered around to smoke hookah, and I'm guessing South Sudan. And soon, hopefully, Sudan itself. We're coming. These lines on their faces, they're for beauty and also to distinguish them from other tribes. Look, this place is empty. All cattle have left. I think you've noticed how you'll find sticks in the ground. They counted them. Every cow has a stick. If one's missing, there'll be war. They're well raised. They have interesting activities. They wrestle each other. They have different activities, but you can spend a whole day with them. You can camp here.
Yeah, they are practicing. Yeah, training. They are wrestling.
Wrestling. So they put urine with the milk, so
Yeah.
and they mix it, they drink it.
Yes, they drink it.
He added urine to milk. He wanted me to drink, but I refused.
Shall I drink?
Yeah.
Huh?
They go okay.
So why they put it like it's like sweet sugar?
Yeah. They put it like a sugar.
Sugar. I almost drank that milk. I thought it was only milk. People say Juba is dangerous, but it's stable and better than before. Stay tuned for part 2 of South Sudan for a clearer image of Juba City. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram.